To solve the given quadratic equation by using factorization method, we have written the first example here, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So splitting middle terms, right here 6, that is 2 factors 3 into 2. But here is minus 5, so minus 3 plus minus 2 we get minus 5. Now we write here x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Again taking common x from first two terms and taking common 2 from second two terms, we get here x into x minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, again taking these brackets common, x minus 3 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. These are the factors of given quadratic equation. Therefore, 3 and 2 are the factors of solution of given quadratic equation. Okay, taking second example or another type of this type of example from our textbook, we can solve it. Okay, 14x plus 13 is 0. So last term 13 factorize minus 13 minus, so that is minus 14. Means minus 13x plus minus 1x is equal to minus 14x. That is splitting middle terms here. So m square minus 13m minus 1m plus 13 is equal to 0. Again taking common m from first two terms, we get m minus 13 in first bracket minus 1 taking common, m minus 13 is equal to 0. So again taking common bracket m minus 13, m minus 13 in second bracket m minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we apply the rule a b is equal to 0 if then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. This is our rule. So using here m minus 13 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 13 or m is equal to 1. Therefore 13 and 1 are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we take some example from practice set and continue. Example number 7, under root 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation, complete the following activity. Solution, that is root 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 into root 2 is equal to 0. Under root 2 into x square. So what will be here? The splitting middle term, that is equal to 5x and 2x. 5x and 2x should be here. How? 5 into root 2 into 5 root 2, that is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. And 10, that is equal to 5 and 2. These are the factors. Okay, so taking under root x common from these two terms, we get here under root 2x plus 5. Here taking under root 2 common from these two terms, so we have to write here under root 2 as under root 2 into under root 2 is equal to 2, just like this. So here under root 2 into under root 2, that is under root 2 taking common, we get here root 2 into x, root 2x plus 5, root 2 into, here is splitting these two just like this, root 2 into root 2. So taking one root 2 common, From here we get root 2 into x. Again taking this root 2 common, we get 5. So again taking this bracket common, what is root 2 x plus 5. Again here using our rule, that is a b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 using this criteria. So we write here under root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, again we have to solve this. X is equal to, that means under root 2 x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 upon under root 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Here is given. So minus 5 by under root 2, and these are the roots of given quadratic. Similarly, this type of example are given here. So I have written all the factors here. So multiplying 6 into root 3 by 3 here, we get 6 into 3, that is minus 18. So 9x minus 2, splitting of middle term 7x. So here write just like this, and splitting this 6 under root 3 as 2 into 3, that is 6. Root 3 x square, so 9x minus 2x, 9x, write this 9, just like this. 9 is equal to 3 into 3, that is 3 into root 3 into root 3. In this manner we have written here, and minus 2x minus 2. So taking 3 root 3 into x common from these two terms, we got 2x plus root 3 minus 1, taking minus 1 common, 2x plus root 3. Therefore, 2 bracket, product of 2 bracket is equal to 0. So we write in bracket is equal to 0 and find the value of x. Similarly, in this type of example also, you have to multiply this 3 into 2, that is 6. And we split this 6 as minus 6 into minus 6, that is minus 2 into root 6. So write root 6 just like this. Root 6 is equal to root 3 into root 2. Okay, this 3 also, 6 right also. Now 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3, 2 is equal to root 2. Or substitute all these value here, just like root 3 into root 3. In place of 3, we write here root 3 into root 3. X square is as it is. Minus 2 into root 6, that is 6 under root 6x minus under root 6x. Under root 6 means under root 3 into under root 3 into x. Similarly, here is also under root 3 into under 2 into x. Plus, write this 2, root 2 into root 2. This is the most important step here. Only this step is very important. So, taking root 3 and x common from this, again root 3 and x common from this step, this. So we write here root 3 into x in bracket, root 3 into x minus 3. Again taking common in from these two terms, root 3, we got here root 3 into x minus root. So again taking common same bracket, so we are left with root 3 into x minus root 2 minus root 3 into x. So we got the final answer. Product of two number is 0, one number is equal to 0, second number is equal to 0. These are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay. One root is positive, both are positive. Now solve all the remaining example from practice set 2.2 in our textbook. See you next. Thank you.